Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to use scroll lock key in Microsoft Excel. When I'm working in Microsoft Excel, if I press the right arrow key from my keyboard, my active cell moves like this. We can avoid such kind of movement by using scroll lock key. Now I am turning on scroll lock key by pressing the scroll lock key from my keyboard. In the status bar, we can observe my scroll lock key is turned on. Now press the right arrow key from my keyboard. My sheet moves like this, but active cell cannot move. To go back to active cell, just press and hold the control key, press the backspace key. Now I am pressing up and down arrows. See here, when I press up and down arrows from my keyboard, my active cell cannot moving. Now press the control backspace to return back to active cell. To turn off scroll lock key, just press the scroll lock key button again. Now check the status bar. Scroll lock key is turned off. That's it today video tutorial. If you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.